Hey there. I am going to make a quick video, even though I announced that I'm going to be doing some murals that I've started on at a customer's house. I was challenged by another artist, Jennifer Landis, who on Instagram is called Composed Chaos. And she challenged to do a round canvas or panel and to use a little texture. So if you can see that, what I did was I applied some PBO modeling paste and let that dry, and then I put a really healthy coat of gloss varnish on, and I'm going to just try something with alcohol inks. I've never used alcohol inks on a canvas before. That's why I put the varnish, because I didn't know if it would soak in on a canvas or how it would really react. So I'm just going to let you watch, and I'm going to kind of try to create a ocean landscape kind of scene is my plan, but it may not work that way, who knows. So just feel free to watch, sit back and watch. It's kind of busy, but I'm really digging it. So I think I'm basically done with it. Alcohol inks do stain. Keep baby wipes around and alcohol and just pray that it comes off, which sometimes it will and sometimes it won't. Whoa. So after I put a glossy coat on it, it'll make everything kind of pop. Very abstract, but fun. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Check out the previous video, which is a giveaway and an update and some new adventures. So I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.